Let's go back.
Come on. Hey, let me join the club now.
Hey, but guys, tinaenda utigweyo, man. You know what? I had an idea. How about sidlaleni?
There's no time for ideas.
Yo, bro, let me tell you.
No.
What?
Pingy.
Yeah, okay.
Masiyenzi damn. Masiyenzi.
Yeah, okay. Hi, Wena. Do you know things that are being said by Landoa Pingy? Guys, coming out.
I also have ingredients oyenza the way.
Uze prepare damn.
Nditandibani dan. Nikumani ntalabani.
So you took your mother's things?
So guys, yabona the way? Pingy same time is gonna come. Now. Flour.
What do you do with the egg?
He's gonna come. I want us to chant Pingy Upi. Pingy is funudlala now 4 times. Yabo. Okay guys, we're gonna say Pingy Upi sifuna now 4 times. Yabo? Let's go.
Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe. Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe. Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe. Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe.
And then
Beningicimisa sipana kanti nale wele.
I suggest we just play the game we're playing, guys.
I agree.
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Put away your pinky things.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, let's do it again. Is anyone expecting someone?
No.
School?
No.
Yes,
Check.
Another one. Let's go.
Pinky.
Guys! Come look! School, come look!
What did you
He's here! Pinky is here! He's actually here! Come look!
Hey, Binzo. Praise. Guys.
Come!
No, Binzo.
Something so good. Izan. Something.
Let's go, guys. Yeah.
Binzo.
Hey.
Abracadabra. Hi.
Right here.
Fresh, son.
What did you do, Pinky?
Pinky mna ndenzanga
You
nix.
guys too.
Tena ungandenzanga mna Pinky.
You guys too.
Yeah, man udlala mtaka wena Pinky.
Right up in clock. Man, Pinky platform now. Tell me about kakuhle man.
Nguwe Pinky.
Down.
Hi, man.
Wenza kodini?
Can't we like play 30 seconds or Ludo or something?
No. You summoned me, yeah? You play what I say you must play.
Man.
Why? Since you're so keen on playing Pinky Pinky, why don't you become Pinky Pinky for us?
Hey. Guys, what about you?
Happy guys. Yabona kalo pinky wakho bethithe ngayo.
Hayi kaloku ayithethi loo nto le ndizoplay mama guys.
Hey guys,
Thini ke kulena ku?
Chris 8.
Hayi alo crazy wakho wena. No.